Hey, this is Calvina coming right back at you guys with another video. And today what I want to talk about is what is passive income and what can it do for you in the long term? Alright, what is passive income and what can it do for you in the long term? Right? In today's fast-paced world, the idea of making money without constantly working for it sounds like a dream come true. This is where passive income comes into play. It's a powerful concept that has the potential to transform your financial future and offer more freedom and flexibility. But what exactly is passive income? And how can it benefit you in the long term? Number one, what is passive income? Passive income refers to money earned with minimal effort to or active involvement. Once the initial setup or investment is made, unlike active income, where you exchange time for money, such as a traditional 9-to-5 job, passive income allows you to earn money regularly with little to no direct involvement after the initial work. Some common examples of passive income sources include rental income, owning and renting out property. 2. Dividend stocks, earning money through investments in stocks that pay dividends. 3. Royalties, earning money from intellectual property like books, music, or inventions. Affiliate marketing, one of my favorites. Earning commissions by promoting other people's products. And number 5, online businesses, earning money through automated online systems like e-commerce stores and digital products. Okay? How does passive income work? To truly grasp the concept of passive income, imagine you create an online course or write a book. Initially, you'll need to invest time and effort into creating content. Once it's up and running, however, it can generate revenue without requiring much additional effort from you. You can focus on other projects while the money continues to roll in. And similarly, with rental properties, you may invest in real estate and lease it out. While there's maintenance and management involved, a well-established rental property can generate a consistent stream of income, often without needing you to be hands-on every day. Okay, the long-term benefits of passive income. The appeal of passive income lies in its potential to provide both financial security and freedom. Below are some of the key long-term benefits. 1. Financial freedom. The most significant long-term benefit of passive income is the potential of financial freedom. By building multiple streams of income or of passive income, you can create a steady cash flow that reduces your reliance on a single job or source of income. Over time, this income can grow and provide you with the flexibility to choose how to spend your time. Number 2, more free time. Once your passive income streams are established, they require much less time and effort than active income sources. This means more time for family, hobbies, travel, or other personal pursuits. Financial independence can drastically improve your work-life balance, allowing you to live life on your own terms. Number 3, wealth accumulation. Passive income can play a significant role in wealth accumulation. The key is to invest early and consistently. Whether it's through dividends, interest from savings, or property appreciation, the idea is to let your money work for you. Over time, the compound effects of reinvesting passive income can lead to substantial financial growth. Number 4, security in retirement. Relying on traditional retirement accounts like pensions or 401ks can be uncertain. Passive income, however, can provide a more predictable and potentially higher stream of earnings for your retirement years. If your passive income sources are diversified, they can help you maintain or even increase your standard of living after retirement. Number 5, lower stress and less financial anxiety. With a variety of income streams, you'll be less vulnerable to job loss or other financial setbacks. Passive income can act as a safety net, giving you peace of mind knowing that your financial future is secure. This helps to reduce stress and financial anxiety, especially during tough times. Number 6, build generational wealth. Passive income can also be used as a tool to build generational wealth. By passing on income generating assets, such as real estate or investments, to your heirs, you create an opportunity for future generations to benefit from the financial foundation you've built. How to get started with passive income? Great question. Right? Starting with passive income can be intimidating, but it doesn't have to be. The key is to take small, manageable steps and be patient. Here are a few tips to get you started. Number 1, start with what you know. If you already have a skill or area of expertise, consider leveraging that to create a passive income stream. For instance, create an online course or write a blog. Invest wisely. Real estate, stocks, and bonds are popular ways to generate passive income. Bonds, I wouldn't say so much more anymore, but it is what it is. Start small and research thoroughly before committing significant amounts of money. Make sure you do your research, guys. Important. Number 3, automate as much as possible. The beauty of passive income is that it requires minimal effort once established. Automate your income generating processes such as setting up an automatic investments or rental property management to ensure that it runs smoothly with little intervention. Number 4, reinvest in earnings. Reinvest in your passive income, whether through additional property purchases, more stock, investments, or new business ventures, is key to accelerating the growth of your wealth. And number 5, be patient and consistent. Building a steady stream of passive income takes time. Be prepared for a slow start, but stay consistent over time. Your income will compound and grow. Alright, the conclusion of this. Passive income isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It is not. It is not. It is not. But rather a strategy for building wealth over time. While it requires effort, investment, and patience in the beginning, the long-term benefits are undeniable. From financial freedom to more free time, passive income can offer the opportunity to break free from the traditional work for money cycle and instead create income that works for you. With the right mindset, planning, and execution, passive income can be the key to achieving long-term financial success and security. Alright. So again, that is, if you're looking to find out what passive income is about, what is passive income and what can it do for you in the long term? Those are some free tips to get you along the way if you're looking to see what passive income is, and from you doing your research and benefiting from this. Okay? My name is Calvina, and if you guys are looking for a work from home opportunity, alright, you could click the link in the description. Check out the #1 affiliate marketing program online. Alright. Work 2 hours a day, work part-time, and make full-time income. Check it out below. It's awesome. My name is Calvina. I'm signing off. Check out this video. Like, share, and subscribe. You guys have a wonderful and successful day.